Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12 Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to search something on Reddit. So let's get started. At first let's get into Reddit app. So here it is. Make sure you have already logged in to Reddit. Now once you are in Reddit interface, it's quite simple. You can simply tap on this search icon over here. So simply tap on this. Now if something you are searching is already here, you can simply tap on any of this. If not, you can simply search over here. And you can see various communities, people as well. So this is it. Now you can choose any as per your need for whatever you are searching. And this is it. So this is all we can do to search for something in Reddit. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.